Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to add another Gmail account in your Gmail application. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss another tutorials like this. To add another Gmail account, first open your Gmail application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into one of the Gmail account. Now here you'll be taken to inboxes. Then tap on your profile at top right side. Then tap on add another account at down side. Now tap on Google option as you are adding a Gmail account. Now your info will be checked. With that, you'll be taken to sign in page. Now first add your email or your phone number. I am adding my email. If you forgot your email, you can tap on forgot email. With that, tap on next option. Then here you need to add your correct password on the given box. If you forgot your password, you can tap on forgot password add down. With that, tap on next. Now here once view the Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. With that, tap on I agree. With that, your Gmail account will be signed in. Now go back. After you are signed in, you'll be taken to the inbox of your previous Gmail. Now again, tap on the profile icon at top right side. Now here you can see my new Gmail account has been added. Tap on that Gmail account, then you can see the inboxes of that Gmail account. This is how we can add another Gmail account in Gmail application. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.